Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to do a quick summary. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Solana is a Layer 1 blockchain project that was launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. The token symbol is SOL, and it can be traded on most crypto exchanges. It was founded by Anatoly Yakovenko, formerly an engineer at Qualcomm and Dropbox, Greg Fitzgerald, and others from Qualcomm. The protocol is designed to facilitate decentralized app creation. It is focused on improving scalability by introducing a hybrid consensus model, proof of history combined with the underlying technology, proof of stake. One of the advantages of SOL is the fast processing speeds, which can significantly reduce validation times for transactions and smart contract execution. The value of Solana will depend on the growth of developer activity, the DeFi ecosystem, NFT collections, and gaming activity. The belief is that Solana can offer a faster and cheaper blockchain protocol built for hyperscalability and mass adoption. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.